Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok camera quality. To fix your TikTok camera quality, we'll have to open up our phone's camera, okay, and capture the picture or video from here, not from the TikTok app. Why is that? So TikTok right here often limits video resolution automatically to save data, which can cause your recorded or uploaded videos to look blurry or pixelated. So use your phone's camera, all right, and make sure that you enable the highest resolution. For example, under video, make sure that you use the highest resolution available. Now, once the video is recorded under your phone's camera, let's go ahead and go back to our TikTok app as we are going to change some settings. All right. So open up the TikTok app right here and tap on the plus sign. Add in the video that you just recorded. For example, this one. And then go ahead and tap on next. After that, tap on next. And then tap on more options right here at the very bottom. And just make sure, all right, that you enable allow high quality uploads. If you want to save it to your device, well, go ahead and do so by all means. Now, once that's done, go ahead and go back. Before you tap on post right here, open up your control center. Now go ahead and find the option data saver. So if you have mobile data, or if you've been using mobile data and you have a data saver on, disable it for now. Also, go ahead and check it out on your TikTok's profile. All right. So you can just save this one as a draft for now, just like so. Now go to your profile right here, tap on settings or settings and privacy. Now scroll down and find cache and cellular section. All right, there you go. Now here we have a data saver as well. So just go ahead and tap on it and disable it. All right, again, make sure that this one is toggled off. Once that's done, go ahead and go back to your draft and finally post it. All right, so that's how simple it is to fix TikTok's camera quality. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.